Hello, I am Mrs. Fouts, and I have Eliza here with me today. She is going to tell me what kind of book she's looking for, and we will show you how you can do the same thing on Destiny Discover to easily find the books you need in the Media Center. Eliza, will you please log into Destiny Discover using your RCS username and password?
Sure.
Is there a specific title you would like to find in the Media Center?
Yeah, I was hoping to read The Lion of Mars by Jennifer Holm.
Great! In the search bar in the top right, you can type in the title, even if you do not know the author. Go ahead and do that right now. Did it give you a call number?
Yes, it is FIC Home, which means it is in the H section of the fiction section. That should be easy to find. What if I am worried about someone else getting it before me?
Great question. We can put the book on hold. Click on the title. Do you see the button that says hold?
Yeah.
Click the button. I will get an alert in the morning to pull that book off the shelf and hold it until you come in. Remember to pick it up within 2 weeks, though. Otherwise, it will go back on the shelf for the next person to check out. Do you have any questions about how to find a book in the Media Center using Destiny Discover?
Can I search for titles at home, or do I have to be at school?
You can search for books from anywhere. Thanks for joining me today, Eliza. I hope you will come visit the Media Center soon.
I plan to.